So you're running a business, whether that be a social media marketing agency, an affiliate business, an e-com business, whatever it may be, but you just can't seem to stay focused and stay productive. You see, when it comes to productivity and staying focused, everybody's got it backwards. Everyone believes it's about cramming in 1001 different things and completing them in a single day. When in reality, if you look at some of the highest performing people in our sphere, they're actually doing the complete opposite. So I've been through some of the top courses on digital marketing and social media marketing agency and entrepreneurship in general. I've been taught by real business owners who are pulling in 6 and 7 figures a month. So I'm talking real internet millionaires, not just the average professor at a high school or a university. And they all say similar things. They all have their own little methods, but their base core is very similar, and they focus on one thing and one thing only. If you take a look at the average person, they try to do 101 things in a single day. I mean, they'll wake up, start washing dishes, start doing chores, then start trying to build their business, all this other sort of shit. So they fill up their time with all this sort of shit. So when it comes to focus, everyone thinks you need to be super concentrated, like drink 10 Red Bulls and get 100 pieces of shit done. If you actually look at the word focus and find the opposite of focus, which is distraction, to then focus, you need to not do distraction. So don't do distraction and you'll be focused. Now, what I mean by that is, let's say you have 100 friggin' notifications come through on your phone every hour. You just need to turn that shit off, get rid of it, put it in a drawer somewhere out of sight, out of mind, completely eliminate it, eradicate it. If you're on your computer and you're focused on some work and you've got notifications popping in, you need to get rid of those shits. If you're on YouTube and you can see X videos in the right hand column, you need to get rid of that. You can use apps such as Newsfeed Eradicator for Facebook. I think there's one also for YouTube, which I actually use. I forgot what the name is, but you need to use apps like that to stay focused. Don't do distraction and you will by default do focus. So here's what happens. Let's say we all have 100 energy points or units a day. If you're trying to do 10 things, that means you can only invest 10 of these points into each one of those 10 things. And you're only going to move 10 steps in each direction, which is multiple directions. So you're not going to get very far in each direction. Whereas if you concentrate on just one thing and invest all your 100 energy points in one thing, you're going to move that one thing 100 energy points forward. And that's how people are building these really successful businesses in such a short amount of time. So instead of trying to split up your points into 10 different parts, like one part could be you're trying to write a blog to bring inbound leads for your social media marketing agency, or you're trying to do YouTube videos, or you're trying to do X, Y, and Z. Instead of doing that, why don't you just focus on what's bringing you the best return, such as it might be for you cold calling, cold emailing, LinkedIn outreach, that sort of stuff. Just focus on one thing at a time. So what I do with my own social media marketing agency, and hopefully you guys can take something from this, is I literally just focus on 1 to 2 things a day, and that's it. That's literally it, just 1 to 2 things a day. And I've actually developed free little systems that I actually use, and kind of like, they're like codes I stick by. So it's 1, chunking, 2, chaining, 3, blocking. Now, chunking, number 1, is basically chunking together similar activities to be done at one time. So let's say you're doing social media outreach. Social media is a broad term, so we can actually, let's say your outreach templates or scripts are kind of similar. Things that you're saying on Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn, you can actually then chunk that together as that being one activity for the day. So that one activity is basically a category of things. Now, chaining is basically chaining your social media with something like emails. Now, emails are chained with this because they're basically a similar thing, yet it's a little bit different. Emails, you speak a little bit different than you would over social media, but it's literally kind of the same thing as you would say on social media, especially when you're using my kind of templates anyway, or scripts anyway. So chaining, that would be an example of chaining. An example of not chaining is if you're reaching out to people on social media, then trying to write a blog. That's not chaining. You have to be in a different mindset to go from using this script here, diagnosing someone's business, actually pulling out weaknesses in their business, to then go and write a blog about the top 10 tips for Facebook advertising for dentist or real estate or whatever you're into. That's two different mindsets. The thing is with that is your focus switches to a whole completely different task, and you actually have to use different parts of your brain and creativity for both of those subjects. Whereas if it was social media outreach and emails, you can chunk those together because it's basically just switching up a little different little different format of the actual whatever the actual copy of the email, and it's literally the same thing. So that's an example of chaining. And then thirdly, we have blocking. Now blocking is nothing new. Everybody knows what blocking is. Well, if you don't, it's basically blocking off certain days to do certain things. Like for example, on Fridays I don't do any social media outreach. I just focus on YouTube videos. That's it. I just record videos, edit videos. Two things I do all day: record videos, edit videos. Normal, and every other day after that is, except for Sundays, is just wake up, get to laptop, outreach, send outreach. After outreach is done, try to close outreach. So if outreach produces discovery calls, get on the phone. So it's just two things a day I always focus on, nothing else, and that's literally it. I don't try to do a lot of chores while I'm working. I don't do any of that sort of shit. I block that in on like a Sunday or something. I wash my clothes on a Sunday or something and just have that blocked in for that day. Or if I'm doing something bigger like creating a case study funnel, I'll block out 5, maybe 7 days, however long I think it's going to take me to get this case study funnel done, and I just focus on that one thing. Nothing else, no social media outreach, no nothing. Just one thing, getting it shot, getting it edited, and all that good stuff that comes into, or all that headache, should I say, that comes with creating a case study funnel. So guys, it doesn't actually just stop there. Within those 3 things I've just mentioned, there's another layer to them. So within chunking, chaining and blocking, those 3 things, there's actually systems set in place for that. So there's automation, delegation, or elimination. So let's say I have my social media outreach in the chunking bit. Let's say in that we've got LinkedIn, we've got Facebook outreach, we've got Instagram. Now I know I can automate LinkedIn. I've got tools that I can automate LinkedIn, so I don't need to focus on LinkedIn. So that's automation. If I really wanted to, I could probably get someone to do my Facebook outreach or my Instagram outreach if I really wanted to, so I can actually delegate that. But I actually quite enjoy doing that sort of stuff. Kind of weird, but I do. But the main aim of this video is to basically get you to eliminate distractions. That's one. Basically just have a look what the opposite of focus is, which is distraction. Don't do distraction, and by default you will do focus. And the byproduct of focus is productivity. And in the simple terms, it's basically just focusing on 2 things a day, but doing it in the smart way, so that you can get 4 times as much done as the average person does, but in half the time. And that's kind of how I do it and how I structure things. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's video and taken something from it. I mean, I actually was very, very struggling with this sort of stuff at the beginning, but now I'm getting much better now that I'm listening to some higher level people, and I can actually see what it really takes to become an entrepreneur, and I'm seeing the little patterns here and there into their thinking and what they're doing, and how it like contrasts to my life, and how I can compare my life to their life and stuff like that, and see where I'm going wrong and fucking up. But now I'm starting to implement some of these strategies. My productivity is going through the roof, especially when I'm consistent with it. That's another thing I've not even mentioned. Consistency is key. All about small incremental improvements each and every day. Start small, then build up. It's not about filling up your plate. It's about doing 1 to 2 things, and those things are, you know, if you start in a social media marketing agency, is outreach, closing outreach, sending messages in order to gain discovery calls, then getting on the phone to close said discovery calls. So that's basically the two things you really need to be focused on if you're starting a social media marketing agency. Anyway, I know that for sure. So like I said, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.